Hello, I'm CJ Parker with Case IH, here today to talk to you about the most efficient way to begin starting planting a field utilizing the Pro 700 display. The first place to go would be to the wizard icon, daily operation, and quickly go through to make sure everything is set, particularly that the right grower, farm, and field is selected for the field that you're going to begin planting in, that you are in the right work condition and have the correct products assigned that you will be planting in the field. You can also use the daily operation wizard to turn your vacuum and bulk fill on, but I would like to recommend to use the planter system start button, which you can reference in a video. Once you've gone through there, you can press the run button to go through the run screens. Once you have your run screens and you've used the planter systems button to turn on all the planter functions, next I would also recommend to look and make sure that your cleaner mode and control is set where you want it to be. For conventional tillage, I would recommend lift at 50 psi. For conventional till ground, also your closer control, I would recommend to start at 20 psi. You can also make sure that your wing downforce control is on and set to how much wing downforce control you want for the field that you're going to be planting, and also for your downforce control, whether it's going to be standard, which is recommended for conventional till ground, or if the ground gets a little bit heavier, you can also put in custom control as well for your downforce control. For more information on utilizing daily planter startup with your Pro 700 with your Case IH planter, refer to your operator's manual or visit your Case IH dealer.